Hello students, today we will talk about the process of digestion in ruminants. Fine. Now what are ruminants? Grass eating animals are known as ruminants. Fine, like cow, goat, buffalo, etc. Now, have you observed that these animals constantly chewing their food, even if there is no grass in their mouth? चाहे इनके माउथ में ग्रास नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी च्यू करते रहते हैं. What is the reason? The reason is because these animals must chew their food twice in order to digest it. Now question arises, why they have to chew their food twice? Because grasses or the plants contains cellulose, and cellulose is a complex carbohydrate and it is not easy to digest cellulose. Fine. These ruminants can digest the cellulose because they contains all the enzymes or microbes required for the digestion of cellulose. But human beings cannot digest this cellulose. Then how it will get digested in human beings? In human, this cellulose acts as a fiber. और आप सभी को पता है फाइब्रस जो फूड है वो हमारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में हेल्प करता है आपके फूड को पास करने में और जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है उसे बॉडी से थ्रो करने में हेल्प करते हैं. फाइन. सो ह्यूमन बींग्स के पास ऐसा कोई एंजाइम नहीं है जो सेल्यूलोज को डाइजेस्ट कर सके, लेकिन रूमिनेंट्स कंटेन एंजाइम्स और माइक्रोब्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड for the digestion of cellulose, but still it is quite difficult. Fine. That's why they chew the food twice. Fine. Now let's see how the ruminants digest their food. As we know that cellulose is very complex. So for digesting this cellulose, the stomach of ruminants is divided into 4 chambers. The first chamber is rumen, second one is reticulum, third one is omasum, and fourth chamber is called as abomasum. Fine. First, the food is chewed and swallowed by mouth. From mouth, the food will enters into the first chamber, that is rumen. This chamber contains many bacteria, so the food will be acted upon by the bacteria. Means the food is now said to be half digested. Digestion is not completed. The food is said to be half digested. Then from rumen, food will enters into reticulum, which is the second chamber of the stomach. And from reticulum, food is again sent back to the mouth. Fine. And again the food is chewed and then swallowed. Finally, from mouth enters into the third chamber called as omasum. Fine. Now there is a term which is known as cud. Means when the food, half digested food from reticulum passes into mouth, this is called as cud. Fine. And chewing of cud is called as rumination, and such animals are called as ruminating animals. Fine. Now the rechewed food is swallowed for the second time, and after passing these 2 chambers, the food will enter into the third chamber, that is omasum. Here the food is further broken down into smaller pieces, and finally the food will pass into the fourth chamber of the stomach called as abomasum, and it is also known as true stomach. Why it is called as true stomach? Because the food will be acted upon by all the enzymes in this chamber. Fine. Now let's understand the process with the help of a diagram. Okay. See, this is the digestive system of a ruminant cow. Fine. These are the four chambers: rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. So firstly, this green part, the food is chewed and swallowed and then enters into the first chamber called as rumen. And rumen, the food will be half digested by microorganisms. Then this food, see this green line, the food will then enters into the second chamber called as reticulum. Now from reticulum, see the red line, the food will again sent back to the mouth, this red part. Then from mouth, see this blue line, then food will be re-swallowed and enters into the third chamber, which is known as omasum. This blue line is for omasum. And finally, food will pass into abomasum, the true stomach, you can say. This black line is for abomasum. Here all the enzymes will act on the food and start digesting it. But as I told you earlier, that main site of digestion is the intestine, small intestine. So the food from abomasum will then enters into the intestine and complete digestion will takes place over here. Site of complete digestion and absorption is intestine. Fine. Now food is digested, means food is broken down into the simpler molecules. Then what happens? Food from the intestine enters into the blood, which is known as absorption. After blood, the food will get passed into the cells and cells will utilize the food for getting energy. And this process is called as assimilation. And finally, the undigested food will be released from the body and this process is called as egestion. Fine. So this was all about digestion in grass eating animals, or you can say ruminants. Fine.